Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the Tom and Jerry can collection. So we already unboxed two in this channel and this is the third one. So if you guys don't know what it is, this is the can figurine collection by Miniso. So let's unbox and see what is inside. Okay, that's it. So here is the card, which means this is what inside is. Sunny outing. Okay, fine. Okay, let's unwrap this and see. Okay, nothing inside. Okay, we have some cool items here. There is Jerry and there is sunglasses and there is a fork. Okay, let's open one by one. Okay, let me show you guys one by one. So here is tongue. Okay, out of the three, this one is the best looking one so far. Okay, here is Jerry. And here is, okay, this is too delicate actually. You need to handle with care. I don't know if I can able to show you guys so close to the camera. Here it is. Here is the tiny weeny glasses of Jerry. Okay, and there is a fork, tiny fork. Okay, let's put it together. I think I'm doing it right. Okay, let's see here. Okay, but that doesn't come all the way. Okay, looks like it did. Fine. Cool. Let's put Jerry on top. And let's put the fork here. Yeah, done. Okay guys, let's have a closer look now. Here is the assembled one. This series is really nice, and especially this one, I really loved it. So I actually hoped I got that secret one, but unfortunately I didn't get that one. But I'm happy with this one here. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.